Hello everyone, David Lewis here. Today I want to talk to you about selling in the service lane. Now, we've all been taught as service advisors that when we have the customer in the lane and we're doing a service walk around, we should try to upsell them things, maybe tires, wiper blades, any type of fluid or flushing changes. And I gotta be honest with you, on the surface, I kind of disagree with this. And here's the reason why. If I were to give you a gun and that gun had one bullet in it, and you were standing 100 yards away from somebody, but you knew that within the next minute or two you'd be standing 5 yards away from them, would you waste that bullet at the 100-yard mark? And the answer is no. You'd wait till you were closer where you had a better shot. So my feeling with selling in the service lane is this. We get really one good shot to sell to customers. Why do I want to waste it in the lane and sell something for a small ticket item when in 30 minutes I'm going to be presenting them a multi-point inspection where I now have an opportunity to sell everything in one shot, and I might sell something of higher ticket value that creates more profit for the dealership. Now, I'm not saying we shouldn't mention things in the lane. I have no problem with that. If we see the tires are low, we might say, listen, this tire looks a little bit low on tread. Let me make a note. The technician's an expert. Let's get his or her personal advice. Something to that effect. But my opinion is, let's stay away from actually selling and closing in the lane. Maybe just make the recommendation to plant the seed, and let's sell everything after the multi-point inspection. What are your thoughts? Agree? Disagree? I'd love to hear them.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.